the best remedy to clean plaque from your arteries and prevent a stroke. Did you know that clogged arteries not only reduce blood flow, but are also the leading cause of heart attacks, strokes, and high blood pressure? This is a dangerous issue that many people are entirely unaware of. If you've been wondering how to clean your arteries naturally at home, this is the right place to start. In today's video, we will share a fantastic natural method to effectively clean your arteries with just one type of arteries cleansing food that the Japanese have used for over 2,000 years. You'll find the answer here if you're curious about what foods clean your arteries or even the best meal to clean out your arteries. While blood clot dissolving medications are also an option, they often come with many unwanted side effects. Don't miss this chance to protect your heart health. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell now so you won't miss any helpful health information. Let's start by discovering how to clean arteries and safely and naturally remove bad cholesterol. Have you ever heard of Natto Kinase? This special enzyme is found in natto, a traditional Japanese fermented soybean dish. The Japanese have been consuming natto for over 2,000 years to maintain their health, and modern science has now proven that Natto Kinase is incredibly effective at cleaning arteries. It works quickly and naturally, making it an excellent solution if you want to clean arteries quickly and promote overall cardiovascular health. 1. So why is Natto Kinase good for your arteries? Natto Kinase might be the answer if you've been searching for ways to clean your arteries or looking for adequate arteries cleansing food. Natto Kinase is a specialist in addressing blood clots and plaque in the arteries. One of its most notable benefits is its ability to break down fibrin, a protein involved in blood clotting and plaque formation within the arterial walls. If you're wondering how to clean arteries and remove bad cholesterol, this enzyme offers a natural and effective solution. What makes Natto Kinase genuinely exceptional is that it doesn't stop there. It also provides numerous other benefits for arterial health, including reducing inflammation in the arteries. Inflammation is at the root of many cardiovascular problems. When arteries are inflamed, the endothelium, the inner lining of the arterial walls, becomes damaged, accumulating plaque. Natto Kinase helps reduce inflammation, preventing plaque from forming in the first place, and supporting efforts to clean your arteries naturally at home. Lowering oxidized LDL cholesterol. Did you know that oxidized LDL cholesterol, often called bad cholesterol, is a major contributor to arterial blockages? Natto Kinase naturally helps eliminate this harmful cholesterol, leaving your arteries cleaner and improving overall blood flow. Stabilizing blood pressure. Another significant advantage of Natto Kinase is its ability to soften and reduce the thickness of arterial walls, promoting stable blood pressure. For those with high blood pressure, this can significantly ease the strain on the heart and support a healthier circulatory system. Supporting brain health. Natto Kinase isn't just about heart health. It also enhances blood flow to the brain, reducing the risk of strokes. If you're interested in how to clean your arteries quickly and reduce complications like strokes, Natto Kinase is a valuable tool. With all these benefits, it's no wonder Natto Kinase is considered one of the best meals to clean out your arteries, especially when incorporated through natto or supplements. 2. How to use Natto Kinase. Effectively, incorporating Natto Kinase into your daily routine is a simple yet powerful step if you want to learn how to clean your arteries naturally at home. Here are 2 effective ways to do it. Eat natto directly. This is the most natural and nutrient-packed option. Natto contains Natto Kinase and is rich in vitamin K2, a nutrient that regulates calcium in the body, preventing arterial calcification. This makes it a fantastic arteries cleansing food to include in your diet. You can find natto in Asian grocery stores, Japanese supermarkets, or through online retailers. Take supplements. If natto's unique taste and texture aren't for you, supplements are a convenient and effective alternative. Typically available in capsule form, Natto Kinase supplements are an excellent choice for quickly seeking clean arteries. The recommended dosage is usually 100 to 200 milligrams daily, but it's always best to consult your doctor before starting, especially if you're on blood-thinning medications. Whether through food or supplements, adding Natto Kinase to your routine is a simple and natural way to support cardiovascular health, improve blood flow, and keep your arteries clean. 3. Why choose Natto Kinase over other methods? The most remarkable thing about Natto Kinase is that it has virtually no side effects, unlike many traditional blood clot dissolving medications, which often carry risks such as bleeding, headaches, or other complications. If you've been searching for how to clean your arteries naturally at home, Natto Kinase offers a safe, natural, and highly effective way to cleanse your arteries and protect your heart health. Natto Kinase is the perfect choice if you're looking for a simple yet powerful solution to maintain a healthy heart. By adding it to your routine, you'll take a significant step toward improving your cardiovascular health, keeping your arteries clean, and supporting overall well-being. Natto Kinase is more than just a natural remedy. It's a powerful ally in addressing arterial health. With its ability to break down blood clots, reduce inflammation, lower oxidized LDL cholesterol, and stabilize blood pressure, Natto Kinase has been a cornerstone of Japanese health practices for thousands of years, promoting vitality and longevity. Start incorporating Natto Kinase into your daily life today, whether through arteries cleansing food like traditional natto or convenient supplements. Even a small change like this can significantly improve your heart and circulatory system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more valuable health content. Share this video to help your loved ones learn how to clean arteries and remove lousy cholesterol safely and naturally. I wish you excellent health and happiness.